what? Hi! Hi, guess what? We are making, you hear me? Yeah. Chocolate, yeah, you hear me? Soufflé. And trained chefs can't even do this, and we're even doing this kid style. Our ingredients are, we have 3 tablespoons of Nutella, we have salt, melted butter, 3 eggs, cocoa powder and sugar, and our utilities are a spatula, a pastry brush, a bowl and a spoon, and 2 ramekins and a whisk. Is you're going to be buttering our ramekins and then putting them in the fridge. So you want to go ahead and get your melted butter and put your pastry brush in. Got it. There you go, like that. And now we go ahead and... So I've just finished doing the first one, and now you're going to be doing the second one. And this is to make sure, it doesn't stick. And I just do the up motion. Now we are going to be covering the ramekins in this to form a layer. So you're just going to get a little spoon and put it in. And then you're going to like go around the side and put like this. And when you're done, it should look like something like this. Now we're going to do the next one. So again, you're going to put a spoon of this, like that, and you're just going to go like, make sure it's on the edge and just go. So it looks like this. Now we're going to put them in the fridge. So what you want to be doing on step 2, you want to get your 3 eggs, and you want 2 yolks and 3 whites. So what you're going to do when you're separating the yolks, you can use a egg separator, but I'm not. So what you want to do is there's 2 ways to do it. You can just do it in the shell, or you can put it on your hand like that, what trained chefs do. And that's what I'm going to do. So you want to put the yolk there, like that. And now you need 1 more yolk and 2 more whites. Step 3. So you want to whisk the egg whites, and for about 5 minutes, and every 90 seconds you add a tablespoon of sugar, but the maximum is 3. You're going to make this into stiff peas. After your chocolate has been in the microwave, you are going to be adding your yolks and whisking them until the same colour with a pinch of salt. Plonk. Time to mix. is our Nutella. And step 5. You want to get a quarter of your egg whites and you want to put it in, and you don't put all of it in because we want to make it loose first and then we add everything else. By the way, it only works with a plastic spatula, not anything metal. So let's mix. Now we've done the quarter bit, as you can see it's super loose, and I have to say so myself, it smells delicious. But now you're going to add the rest. There we go. Now you're going to mix again. There we go, guys. It's the final part. We have our ramekins out of the fridge, and you will make sure to preheat the oven to 230 Celsius. And you're going to put these in here and pour this in them. Now they are in, you're going to make sure to clean the edges, just like this. Now they are all done, you're going to be putting them into the oven. Got a 5-second challenge for you. All you have to do in them very 5 seconds is subscribe, hit the notification bell, and try hit the like button with your nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did do it, put in the comments a tick emoji. Bye! They are finished. All you need now is a little dust of cocoa powder. Like that. Perfect. Beautiful. I know, right? I did it.